Hello class 12th, how are you? I hope you are watching my videos and understand the concepts. So today I'm going to tell you how you will add the rows in your data frame, how you will delete the rows and how you will delete the column in a data frame. So I'm proceeding with one file. So you see import pandas as pd. I have made one data frame. Okay, so अब देखो suppose you want to add more rows. अगर आप simple I have just saved this file. I just show you the output. यहाँ पे देखो 0 1 2 3 there are total 4 records are there in this data frame. Suppose I want to add 2 or 3 more records here. Then for that what you will do, आप एक सबसे पहले आपको एक नई data frame बनानी पड़ेगी. To save my time I just copy this and just made the changes in this. Control V. Okay, so I'm giving this data frame name is df2. Then whatever the changes is required I'm going to change. Karan is already, no, Karan is not there, so I'm going to give this say Ram. Okay, these two names I'm going to add. Then let it be they both are in the grade 12. Let it be grade 12. Okay, then the city, say this time I'm going to give say Jalandhar. Then the next one is Patiala. So if you see my second data frame is created. That means this data frame data I want to add in this. Okay, this data frame data I want to add this. मतलब ये वाले रिकॉर्ड मुझे इसी डेटा फ्रेम में ऐड करने हैं. ओके, तो बिकॉज न्यू रिकॉर्ड इन दैट वे यू कैन नॉट सिंपली ऐड, यू हैव टू क्रिएट द डेटा फ्रेम. मतलब रिकॉर्ड आपको एक डेटा फ्रेम में बनाने ही पड़ेंगे. दैट कैन बी मर्ज्ड वट एवर द डेटा फ्रेम you want. मतलब जो डेटा फ्रेम ऊपर है, whatever data frame is given, you can add your second data frame record in that. So you just see there are two methods to add your record in the data frame. First I'm going to tell you the first method, that is called append method. For that आपको हमेशा left hand side पे variable लेना, और that can be the first data frame variable, no problem. So df is equal to df dot append. This is the first method. df dot append. अब append मतलब df dot append means इसमें depend करना है, इस data frame में depend करना है. किसको करना है, किसको करना है, that data frame name should be here. So I am telling you this name. So df2 data frame I want to append in this data frame. Now to make you clear, so print, I just print one blank line, then print. अब मैं इस डेटा फ्रेम को दोबारा प्रिंट करा रहा हूं. Just you see the output. Now you see earlier when I print the data frame there was only 3 records, but now when I added there is 0 1 2 3, then the second data frame record. But if you see this, कि index restart again, मतलब इंडेक्स फिर 0 से स्टार्ट हो गया इन दी सेकेंड डेटा फ्रेम 0 1 2 3. देन दिस इज द सेकेंड डेटा फ्रेम जो मैंने ऐड की थी, लेकिन उसका इंडेक्स 0 से स्टार्ट हो गया. दैट आई डोंट वांट. आई वांट इट शुड बी इन द कंटिन्यू इंडेक्स. फॉर दैट हियर यू हैव टू गिव df2 comma ignore underscore index is equal to 2. इससे क्या होगा, using this ignore underscore index it will take you in your continue index. Now just see the output. Now you see there is no repeated index, it is in the continue form 0 1 2 3 4 5. So in that way you can use the ignore underscore index. I hope this method is clear to you. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the second method. For you I just write here hash method 1. Okay, so just I make this a comment whole code because ये कोड इन सारे कोड को मैं कमेंट कर रहा हूँ because now I'm going to tell you the second method. Okay, now same procedure, df is equal to pd dot concat. This is the second method when you want to concat your data into the above data frame. Earlier we have append method, this time we have pd.concat. You have to use the name of the variable df pd.concat, then in the square bracket first data frame comma second data frame. Then same procedure, अगर आप ignore underscore index नहीं लिखोगे then the index will be repeated again, start from the 0. So I'm going to write the same, ignore underscore index is equal to true. Now you see I'm going to print this again, print blank line print d. Okay, now you see the output that will be the same. So you see, but ये अब किस method से add हुआ? This method, because earlier I have commented which has no meaning for Python. Because this code I have commented, आप देख सकते हो मैंने ट्रिपल कोट से कमेंट कर दिया, which is ignored by the interpreter. So it is added but through this method. Am I clear to you? So in that way you are able to add your rows data. Sometime one thing I want to tell you, sometime no, suppose you want to give a none, means null value or not a number. Sometime examiner, if you see this grade I made it none. So you see here it prints NaN. Okay, sometime why I told you this, sometime examiner क्या करता है आपको पेपर में क्वेश्चन में ऐसे ही डाल के उसने दो जगह NaN और NaN, suppose this value is NaN and city is NaN, then don't be confused on that कि NaN कैसे आएगा, आपको NaN लिखना नहीं है. To make this NaN, so you can use none also, N-O-N-E, none. Suppose this one also I make it none. Make sure none का N capital होगा, none. तो if I save this, तो ये दोनों वैल्यू none हो जाएंगी, ठीक है. बट यहाँ पे देखो there is certain confusion, none, but none नहीं है, I want NaN. Sometimes in single value it takes, but in double value it gives you the problem, because if you see it is none NaN, that's fine, but I want if I twice none, that means none which is not correct. For that we have one more keyword, but उसके लिए आपको numpy import करना mandatory है, which I have already done. Import numpy as np. तो आप यहाँ पे जहाँ पे आपको not a number चाहिए, NaN stand for not a number, np dot none लिख दोगे. वहां पे आप क्या लिखोगे, np dot none. Now you see numpy module numpy has no attribute none, np dot none. I will see, maybe it's on the course. np.nan. Let me check. Actually, I forgot the keyword exactly. np.nan maybe. Yes, np.nan is the keyword. Okay. So in that way, if it is single value, you can write none only, capital N, N-O-N-E, that's fine. But sometime if you are there more, then you can write np.nan. Then it doesn't matter how many values are there. जहाँ पे आपको पेपर में क्वेश्चन में NaN दिख रहा है, in your output. Suppose examiner ने आपको ये data frame डाल दी कि create the following data frame, then you must keep it in mind where the nan is there, you have to import the numpy as np, then for the particular location you have to write np dot nan. Okay, so in that way ये दोनों values को मैंने none कर दिया. Now the point is how you can delete the particular row. To delete this we have a, अब तक मैंने आपको बताया था how you can add. Now I'm going to tell you how to delete that. Delete a column or row. So for that df dot drop is a drop. You can drop the rows also or column also. Now I'm giving 0 मतलब I want कि 0 इंडेक्स पे जो रो है वो सारी डिलीट कर रही है. 0 कॉमा यहाँ पे आप एक्सेस देनी पड़ेगी. 0 मीन्स एक्सेस इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स रो 1 कॉलम के लिए होती है, याद रखना, एंड 0 फॉर दी रो. नाउ प्रिंट df डॉट ड्रॉप 0 एक्सेस 0. दैट मीन्स ये डेटा फ्रेम दोबारा प्रिंट हो रही है. टू मेक यू क्लियर आई जस्ट प्रिंट वन ब्लैंक लाइन. Now you see the output. I have to close one more bracket because I have used 2 there. Now you see in इस data frame Arjun is there, but जहाँ पे मैंने deletion किया वहाँ पे वो 0 वाली रो उसने delete कर दिया. You can see that. Am I clear to you? Okay. Suppose you want to delete multiple, तो आपको स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में कॉमा डाल के दे सकते हो. सपोज आई वांट टू 0 and 1, देन यू कैन यूज इन दिस वे F5. नाउ यू सी इन द लास्ट दिस इज 0 and 1, वो दोनों रिकॉर्ड डिलीट हो चुके हैं. ओके. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू डिलीट द कॉलम, सपोज आई वांट कि मुझे नेम कॉलम डिलीट करना है, फॉर दैट यू हैव टू गिव द नेम ऑफ द कॉलम एंड एक्सेस इज इक्वल टू 1, because column के लिए access हमेशा 1 होगा. So for that I'm going to show you this print. So you see here name column is deleted. Okay, suppose you want to delete multiple, so for that the same procedure. यहाँ पे आपको इसको square bracket में लेना पड़ेगा. name comma the second column is great, then is square bracket, then is control S, then run this. So you see name and grade is deleted now. I hope this video is clear to you. Just to watch this video and understand what I told you, how to add the rows in a data frame, then try to add using both methods. Whatever the convenient method you can use that, there is no problem at all, but sometime if specifically mentioned that you have to do accordingly. Then you have, I told you the deletion also, then I told you the concept of this nan also. Okay, so must watch. If you have doubt, please ask me, and students, it's my humble request to you, please do respond in the group. Thank you. Have a nice day.